Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, if you are new to this channel, guys, and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share, and also, guys, stay updated by following the Telegram channel because there we are going to be putting one or two updates for you guys. We are going to be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, you will find the link to the Telegram channel. Subscribe to the Telegram channel so you will stay updated. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting this week on our gold. So first thing first, we need to go to the higher time frame and we need to know what gold is literally doing, right? On the higher time frame, we are going to do our analysis from the weekly time frame down to our daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Now, before you take a trade, you would want to ask yourself one question, and the question is, what is the trend? So remember, in markets, we tend to have three movements. Market tends to give us three trends. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements we most likely see or find, right, in the markets, right? These are the three movements you will most likely find, right, in the market. Either trending to the upside, it is trending to the downside, or it is ranging. Now, when you take a look at this gold, you can clearly see that gold is what's trending to the upside. This is the movement on our gold. We are in a bullish move. Gold is literally trending to the upside. That is to tell you that gold is bullish. Now, I want you guys to take a look at what markets will be doing for us this week. First, let's start from here for quick analysis. If we see this to be our higher high, right, then we can take a look at this to be the higher low. Then this can also be seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Gold was able to now push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on gold will be a new higher high. So that means gold will need to push up to form, see, it is able to form a new higher high. So that is to tell you that whatever we would want to be expecting next on gold, we should be expecting a bullish move that will push up and clear the side. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing this week, we will be expecting a bullish move on gold. So gold will be giving us a bullish move for the week. So buy is what you are going to be expecting for the week. So if you're a position trader and you are a swing trader, now is the best time to actually hop in for the buy. Now let's go down to our daily time frame. So this is the movement also right here. This is the movement. Market has been rallying up, right? Higher high and an higher low. This is on the daily time frame. You can clearly see a series of higher high and an higher low. Then this massive drop eventually happened, right? Now market has been able to push up and we've gotten a pullback which has come to reject our level the second time right here. Now market is pushing up, so we would expect market to continue to push up further till it is able to take out this level. So this is to tell you that a double bottom is now about to form. And you guys know what a double bottom is. It clearly means a reversal movement, right? So basically, one market drop and now a double bottom is about to form, which will be confirming the movement. So if you are how will I call it, like a patient trader or a conservative trader, you do not want to take much risk. You can wait for your market to break this neckline, right, for you to give a good confirmation that market is indeed going bullish. So if in case market can break out this neckline, then we would expect market to continue to push further. But if you're a rogue trader, right, you want to go in, this is still what you are going to be expecting on gold. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our gold, right? So be looking for your buy setup. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame right here. So we say markets just giving us this first push up. This is our first high. This then is our higher low. This is also the higher high, and now market is forming an higher low. So our next movement on gold will be another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on gold, be going in for the buy. More updates on gold will be covered in this channel. So all you just need to do is simple, guys. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.